Alright, let's do it.
What do you want to do first? The bars?
What's up, guys? We're working on the Dyna build, and we are going to change out the handlebars with these new handlebars. We're going to yank these things off. Fairly self-explanatory. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. Take the controls off with the grips. These grips are such a junk, we're just going to cut them off. And then we're going with a we got T-bar extensions and these new black handlebars. It should be pretty sick.
That's a different size.
Guys, this is Sean and I am bogarting this video to remind you to click the subscribe button right down below and press that little cog gear to get notifications. We're doing tons of test drives, tons of fun videos all the time, every single day. And also, as always, look in the description box to see the information about our current inventory, to see information about the motorcycle giveaway we're doing. We also have crazy good deals on parts and accessories down in the description box. Check it out. We'll see you guys later. You already cracked it?
Yeah, I just did it to hold the handlebars out. If you
right, Kels, what's happening?
So, made a very critical error.
Dang, those bars look sick.
They look so good. But we ordered the built wheel bars, and I got smooth instead of dimpled, which I didn't even know there was a difference. And you have to get dimpled with Harley because there's this cable here that basically blocks everything. So like there should be like a rivet in there that cable just like kind of slips up into, and then it goes over, this other piece mounts over top. So we're sitting out here trying to figure it out for the last 30 minutes. I didn't realize it was my error ordering the wrong bars. Super bombed, but they look super good.
So we got the risers kind of completely on.
Yeah, risers are good. You were gonna probably need to get different screws.
Yeah, we need different bolts.
Because it's gonna be like a shorter bolt for that riser.
Grab the old risers. I'll show you what the difference is.
Ooh. Oh, it goes through the bottom.
See, those actually it goes to the bottom, and then the new risers don't.
Yeah, it's smoothed off.
So we need a shorter
bolt.
Shorter bolt.
Not a Yamaha bolt, just a normal bolt. But they're gonna look good.
So we'll get that fixed. They look good. They feel great.
Yeah.
It really starts to, the bikes are starting to come together. We'll get that next project. We'll get that exhaust put on, and then we'll come back and we'll finish with the handlebars. And then probably next we're gonna go with start working on the seat.
Super pumped.
And we gotta take that stupid sissy bar off.
Leave it on there with no back seat.
And then I got fed up with the mirrors, and the mirrors are held on by the turn signals, so we need some new turn signals.
Did we rip the turn signals off?
Yeah, I yanked that off. So, all right, guys, subscribe. Sweet. Don't forget, you got to get in on this build. We're giving this beast away. See you guys later. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see more content. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.